It's now our turn, ladies and gentlemen. It has finally taken place. The CEO of Ripple has said that the company will win its court case against the Securities and Exchange Commission. The win will come soon. Experts have also been thinking about what the CEO said. Some people think that XRP Ripple could make a whole new group of millionaires. You really can't miss it. The strongest sign of a bull market. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, as the world of cryptocurrencies changes all the time, XRP Ripple has caused the most discussion and interest. The story of Ripple has caught the attention of both investors and fans because of its unique place in the market and its ongoing legal fights. A recent post from someone who calls themselves an XRP expert complained about how the CC's case against Ripple is stuck. Even though more and more proof pointed to regulatory overreach, the case seemed set in stone. One person, though, didn't give up. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, was ready to speak out. Social media sites were full of people who agreed with Garlinghouse's point of view. Colin Brown, a strong supporter of Ripple, asked SEC Chair Gary Gensler to step down, saying that the regulator was putting Wall Street's needs ahead of investors. In the middle of all this excitement, Brad Garlinghouse got some attention when he told CNBC that he was optimistic about the future of crypto. He stressed how important it is to have leaders who support new ideas while also looking out for the interests of consumers. Because of a changing tide in favor of crypto in both the courts and politics, Garlinghouse was sure that ETH-spot ETFs would be approved. But what are ETFs and why are they important for people who own XRP Ripple? A lot like stocks, ETFs are investment funds that can be bought and sold on stock markets. They usually hold stocks, commodities, or bonds and give investors access to a diverse portfolio with the freedom to trade them at any time of the day. For people who own XRP Ripple, ETFs are important because they could make XRP more accessible and available. By being in ETFs, XRP can reach more investors, including institutional investors. This could make the cryptocurrency more popular and improve its liquidity. The most daring thing Garlinghouse said was a call to action for the Biden government. It was a turning point in the relationship between crypto and government control when Garlinghouse asked the administration to fire Gensler. After that, the Biden administration's veto of SAB 121 showed how important their position on crypto was, setting the stage for possible impact in future elections. The case between Ripple and the SEC, on the other hand, stayed in limbo. Investors are eagerly waiting for the court to rule on the move to seal. The decision could have big effects on many things, from the amount of openness needed to how XRP sales to institutional investors in the US might be affected. Ripple was facing heavy fines from the SEC for allegedly breaking securities laws, and the crypto community was getting ready for the ripple effect. The story of Ripple kept people all over the world interested because billions of dollars were at stake and the future of XRP was uncertain. An example of how volatile and appealing the crypto market is. Of course, investors and experts were very interested in what the CEO of Ripple said because it was so loud. Now, experts are talking about how XRP Ripple is going to grow very quickly in the coming months. You're not ready for this at all. You'll be amazed. Just recently, market analysts' excitement about XRP has hit a whole new level, which could cause its value to very quickly rise. Marx points out a secret bull divergence for XRP, which means it might go up and its value could triple or go up to $200. This study comes at a very important time as XRP is struggling to stay above the $0.51 one level. This is a key level that needs to be crossed to keep the price from falling to the $0.50 zero. Marx's prediction is based on a number of technical signs. He points out that even though prices have recently gone down, the overall bullish momentum is still strong. The price of an asset makes a higher low while a momentum measure, like the relative strength index, makes a lower low. And this is called a hidden bull divergence. This trend shows that the asset is still strong, even if its price drops for a short time. For XRP, this hidden bull divergence has been supported by both the relative strength index and the price. This shows that the current uptrend has strong underlying momentum. XRP's 18-day chart shows that its lows have been higher since 2020, while its relative strength index's lows have been lower since 2016. Marx also says that XRP is getting close to the convergence point of a pennant or coil pattern, which is a technical pattern that usually comes before a rise. This pattern, which is made up of trend lines that are coming together, usually means that the previous trend will continue. XRP started making this big flag shape over many years when it fell from its all-time high of about $4 in January 2018. Based on how the price of XRP has been moving lately, this pattern suggests that a big rise in the bullish direction might be coming soon. Marx stresses the possible effects of this secret bull divergence by talking about how XRP has done in the past. He says that XRP has already gone through an astronomical rise of over 110,000%, which shows that it can grow very quickly. Marx thinks that if XRP breaks out as planned, it could see gains of more than 36,000%, which would push its price into the $200 range. Things just keep getting more interesting. Not only Marx is optimistic. There are also other experts who are not sitting back. Some people think that XRP Ripple will make more people rich in the future. You should not miss this. Cryptocurrency has never seen anything like this happen before. There are predictions that the price will go through the roof soon. Some investors are looking forward to a possible windfall, imagining a situation in which holding 1,000 XRP tokens could earn them an amazing $1 million if the price target for XRP hits $1,000. Although XRP has a lot of promise, it has had some problems, especially in the last few months. XRP has had a hard time picking up speed while other coins have seen big uptrends. Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency, has gone up by 150% since the bull market began in the fourth quarter of 2023. Similarly, Solana has gone through an amazing 679% increase, while Ethereum has seen a reasonable 126% increase during the same time period. XRP, on the other hand, has only gone up a small amount since the fourth quarter of last year. Industry experts are scratching their heads over XRP's lackluster performance and have made guesses about why it hasn't done well. There has been a case against the SEC for over 3 years, which some say has kept the price of XRP low for a long time. Others say that the fact that Ripple keeps selling XRP is a problem. Ripple is said to have sold over 841 million XRP in just the first 3 months of the year, which adds to worries that prices will continue to fall. Has backed these sales, saying that they are needed to gradually lower Ripple's XRP reserves. Even with these answers, there are still questions about how Ripple's sales have affected the market performance of XRP, even though there are problems. Some people who follow the market are still positive about XRP's future. They think that the current lack of performance is just the calm before the storm and expect a big rise in performance soon. Barry C. and Jack the Ripper, two well-known community commentators, have even predicted that XRP will hit $1,000, which would be a huge $109 to $2,207 price increase. That said, this prediction might seem too optimistic, but it shows how much XRP could win if it continues to rise. If a trader has 1,000 XRP tokens, the chance of getting $1 million may seem like a long way off. If, on the other hand, XRP reached its price goal of $1,000, this dream could come true. The number of XRP addresses holding at least 1,000 tokens has gone down this year, according to data from market analytics tool Sentiment. This may be because people are being more cautious since XRP's price has been lowered. As this happened right before the start of a new month, buyers looked at it with interest and made guesses. However, the story got more complicated when another 50 million XRP followed suit and made its way to yet another unknown location. Many people are curious about the reasons behind such big transactions and the names of the people involved with the movement of these tokens.